So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's crack Fang. Today we are going to see how to make a perfect resume, and definitely this is a resume making series. In this series I'm going to share the different types of resume and the mistakes we should avoid while making this resume. So let's start with this resume, and today we are going to decode this resume. Okay, the first of all, you can see the structure of the resume. This resume is basically this resume has basically three parts. This is first part, and this is your second part, and this is your third part. Okay, so we are going to decode it step by step. Okay, the first of all, let's start with the name. Okay, here we are going to add our name, whatever it is, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, whatever it is. Then your job profile. You are a software engineer. Okay, so some people want specific job. They want a job as a front end developer. Okay, or some people want job as a back end developer, or some people also looking for a data analyst or data engineer. Okay, so they can add that particular thing specific if they if they are applying for a backend engineer. Let's see, so here you can write backend engineer. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Like if you want a specific job, definitely you can write such kind of things, but I will prefer if you are not specific about a particular job. Like if you are ready to work as a backend as well as a front end developer, definitely you don't need to add anything, or you can add directly like full stack developer. This will be much better. Okay, then after that you must have to add your mobile number, the working mobile number definitely, and then your Virat Kohli 18, this is your Gmail ID. You have to add your Gmail ID. After that you have to add your address. Many people do mistakes while adding their address. They write their flat number 18 near Anushka's room, Anushka house, whatever it is, like near Hanumanji temple and all those things. Okay, so instead of writing those things, just write like New Delhi and India, whatever it is. If you are from Maharashtra, you can write Maharashtra, India. If you are from Bangalore, you can write Bangalore, India. Okay, so after that you have to add your LinkedIn account link, and this link is clickable. These links, the things which are in the blue color, these things are clickable. Okay, so instead of writing your LinkedIn account name like https and for example Virat Kohli developer 12345, whatever it is, instead of writing that address, just you give your link. Once the recruiter click on this link, definitely they will redirected to your LinkedIn account page. Okay, so okay, of course you know how to add this link. If you want to add this link, let's assume that you are making a resume in the MS Word. Okay, so in MS Word you have to right click on this word, and there is one option that is link. Go to that option, click that option, and go to that go to that module and add your LinkedIn link in this address box, and click on the OK button. So after that your link is added to that particular word. Okay, so I'm going to make a separate video on how to make a LinkedIn account, a professional LinkedIn account, because I have seen the LinkedIn account of the many students, very horrible, very funny. So if you want to make a very professional account, please watch my video which I'm going to upload after this video. So this is how we can add the LinkedIn account link. And then same for the GitHub. If you have prepared, or if you have made any projects in your college, okay, or maybe while working, if you have made any projects, personal projects, definitely you can add your projects into the GitHub account, and that's very important. And next thing is your lead code score or lead code link. And if you are preparing for interviews, and if you are doing a practice on the lead code, hacker rank, then code shape, definitely you can add the links of those platform here. And I will suggest you, if you have time, definitely go for it, because this will this is very remarkable thing, like if somebody sees your lit code score and the problems you have solved is like 500 plus or like 600 plus, definitely this is very remarkable. Okay, so now this is the first main part. It will give your the brief information like your name, your job profile, your contact details, and your other account detail. Okay, after that we are going to, as experience, if you are experienced person, definitely you have to show your experience first. This is first thing which we have to show before anything. If you are experienced person, and in your experience you should write your job profile. For example, here I'm currently I'm working as a full stack developer, then I'm going to write the full stack developer. Then my name of my current company, like RCB, definitely Virat Kohli is working for the RCB. So then the duration and the place, these are the four things which are mandatory. And after that you have to add the project name. Okay, so the many people get confused how to add in this how to add as a roles and the responsibility. I will suggest that that for example, if you are working on a particular project, the what kind of technologies you are using for that project. So I will suggest directly go to on chat gpt and write down that you are working on this project and you are doing those such kind of things. You are whatever work which you have done, what are the technologies which you have used, write them on the chat gpt and tell chat gpt to write the job summary for your resume. Definitely it will convert like this. Okay, and I will suggest you that one more thing. When you are writing your job profile or roles and the responsibilities, add, when you are like make these things bold, like your technologies, GraphQL, Azure services, even the Spring Batch, GraphQL, BDD. So this is very catchy. This will get the attention of the recruiter that these technologies. And definitely, and second, here if you have work on the two projects, definitely you can add also these two projects. But make sure, if you are whatever you are adding, you should know it very well. The next thing is the internship, and this is the sequence, this is the proper sequence of the adding your things, adding your or showing your skill set. Okay, the next thing is your internship. For example, if you for example, this Virat Kohli has worked for the Cognizant for a couple of months, and definitely he was a trainee over there. And you can write same like this. You have to add in 2 to 3 lines the roles and the responsibility as a developer, as a trainee in this company. And okay, here we can see the line spacing, which is not acceptable. I will check what went wrong here. After that, here we have some space. Here we can add your coding profiles. If you have any coding profiles, if you are working on this platform like lead code, hacker rank, even the code shape, if you have any ranking on this platform, definitely add to your resume. This is very remarkable, trust me. The next column is the education. Here we are going to add our education, like your college degree, then your 12th and the 10th marks. Okay, so here you don't need to write your full college name. For example, if your college name is Mahatma Gandhi College of Engineering, Technology and Engineering, you don't need to write whole name. You just write the Delhi University, Pune University, Mumbai University, maybe Karnataka University. Okay, then second thing, that if you have good CGPA, if you have good scores in the 10th and 12 marks, definitely add those things in your education, and it shows that you are very consistent in your academics, and this is very impactful. And the one more thing I would like to suggest, if you are from any well-known college, for example, if you're from IIT, NIT, So these are the branded college, I will say. So, and definitely if you are from IIT, NIT, definitely you can add these names here, like IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, because this is very impactful, and because it shows that you have already achieved something bigger or great. So it does not mean other students from the colleges like tier 2, tier 3 are not capable of this. It's not like that. I'm just saying that if you are from IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, add these things in your resume. This is very impactful. The next thing the next thing is our technical skills. This is very important. Okay, for example, if you know the languages, you can add here. We have seen that we have made the four, like we have divided our skill set in the languages framework, then database, and then DevOps tools. Okay, so for example, if you know the languages like Java, JavaScript, CPP, C++, then C sharp, then Python. Okay, so you can add those things here. Then the frameworks, if you know any frameworks, and the libraries like the Spring Boot, GraphQL, Angular, Django, React JS, you can add those things in your resume also. Then next thing is the database. You have to add your database like MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle, or SQL, whatever it is. Like, you have to just display your technical skills, and you can see that that's very catchy. This is your on this behalf you are going to get select for the, like they are going to ask a lot of questions on these things also. The next part is a project. In the project, this is your individual project. These are not your college sorry, this is not your office project. This project is your personal project. Your college, it might be your college project, or it might be your personal project. It shows that you are very interested, or you are very serious about your career. And definitely if you made this project, definitely it will give you a age. It shows that you are very passionate about technology. In this, after that, you have to write a couple of lines, roles and the responsibility of your project, and what kind of technologies which you have used. You have to write those things here also. So here we can see that Virat Kohli has made this bookworm project and the tweet app project. So here there is a spacing. It is not allowed. I will check. There might be some spacing error while uploading this image to my notes. So just ignore this, but I will suggest you avoid such kind of silly mistakes here and here. Okay, so if you see our resume, you can see I'm going to share. You can take the screenshot. You can I'm going to share the link of this resume with this video, that you can go and you can check how this resume is prepared, and you can I will suggest you, instead of copy pasting this resume, make your own resume. Of course, use this pamphlet, but add your own things. If you have different things, if you have different ideas, definitely go for it. But this is a standard resume, and this resume is for like FANG companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and other product based companies. Definitely if you are applying for the service based companies, this is also good. And here you can see the structure of the resume. And if you have any doubts, or if you have any suggestions, definitely write in the comment box. Definitely I will work on those comments if you have any suggestions. And I'm going to share a few more resume of Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and the Hardik Pandya, because they want to do a switch, because Virat Kohli will not switch from RCB, but definitely there are other players who want to switch. So we are going to make or prepare the resume for those players, and I'm going to share different types of resume. I'm going to share the pamphlet of the resume, so it will be very useful. And so thank you for watching this video.